Hello, and let's begin. I want to show you a quick tip that most people don't take advantage of, and it will save you lots of time. If you look right here at the left bottom corner, there's a little bar. If you click on it once, dependencies, details, and preview pop up. We will be concentrating mostly on details. If you click on the arrow down, it opens up the little window. I want to show you how this window works and how to take advantage of it. In order to edit the dimension of a feature, what I've seen mostly used is by double clicking on the part, it gets us to the parameters of the feature. What this does is regenerate the part to make that boss the current feature. Let's say that we want to change this diameters to 30 millimeters. Here we go, and okay, and now the diameter of the boss has changed to 30 millimeters. There's another way of doing it by using details, and which makes it much faster. So all you have to do is select the boss, and on the details window you will see the expressions used to make that feature. So let's change that back to 25 millimeters. There you go. By using the details, we avoid regenerating the part to make the boss the current feature, and it saves us some time. We can use this method in other features of the part. For example, let's change the location of this boss by changing the sketch. So again, we select the sketch, and on the parameters and below, in the details, we can change that to say 60 millimeters. So as you can see, that changed the location of the boss without having to make the sketch the current feature. So in later videos, I will demonstrate how to take advantage of this tip. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.